guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Samantha if you're new here, and I talk about rescuing things to resell online for a profit. So this is part 2. If you haven't tuned in to my last one, this is my second pallet that I have over here to unbox for you guys and show you what's inside. So this is my helpers today. This is
Jakai.
And this is
Tessa.
And these are my two daughters, so they're gonna be helping me bust through these really fast because I have a lot to get through. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like my video. It helps me a ton, guys, and I appreciate all of you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what's inside.
Another one of these.
Okay, we already had one of these in the last pallet, so that'll be good. Ooh, this is cool and funky. It's got like a straw back, but it also has a tan side and then the tassels around it. I've never seen a pillow like this before.
There's a new one, but it's like the other ones. So
yeah, it's kind of like the last ones in our previous episode. It's got the tassels on the side and it's a pretty, you know, salmon color, but it does look like it has a slight snag, so. Oh, what do you have? You got two of these pillows. They're embroidered and they're really pretty.
They're from the last video too.
Okay, we got this cool cream embroidered with tassel pillow. And you've got two of these. I'm pretty sure these goes with the frozen quilt sets.
This one goes with the other pillows you just...
More pillows. Oh, what do you got? Cool. A king comforter set, and this is a nice one. Let me see if there's a clearance sticker to tell you what the original price was on it. A lot of these were between $80 and $130, so I'll be able to get 50 to 60 out of it.
Here's another one.
Another pillow here that matches the other ones. What do you got again?
Oh, I really
like this one. Urban Habit comforter sweat set, and it is a full queen. And I don't see the clearance on this one, so I won't have to detag it, which is great, but I will have to look it up just to see the price.
We both have the same one.
Oh, cool. It's the same one as I just showed you guys. The straw back and the tassels on the side.
Another one.
Another one. And we got a cream one that's embroidered again. So we're gonna have to unload this and get right back to you guys here. Okay, we're back. Hopefully we can finish it this time. Another tasseled pillow. Oh, cool. A scale. Let me just open it really quickly and see if it's broken or not. Because I know there's been some issues a few times with bulk's items being broken. So I just want to check for myself. Nope, it's all intact. It's got the batteries and everything in it, so that's nice.
I know there's a toilet, but I wish it did.
I'll close this later. Okay.
Here's this nice thing.
Oh, this is a pretty quilt set. Well, just a quilt, I should say, not a set. It's a paisley quilt. A hot pink comforter. And this was originally $44. I will have to take the clearance sticker off, but these clearance stickers are super easy to take off, which I'm thankful for. Some companies, it's really hard to get it off.
What is that?
Okay, we got a standard queen cool touch pillow.
If the glass slides out.
The glass slides out. Okay, yeah. So this is a cool like makeup container thing, and it does look like there's a small crack on the side there, so more than likely this will be something I will keep. I've been needing an organizer anyways, so probably just keep that guy because I'm not going to sell it broken. Okay, another of those frozen quilts.
A sequin pillow.
Ooh, yay, fun. A sequin pillow here.
She Here's a pillowcase.
Oh yeah, this is a sham and it actually matches one of our other quilt sets.
It looks like a honey roll.
It does look like that. What is this? Odor minimalized foam pad cover.
Here's another pillowcase.
Okay, we got a pillowcase and then we got a pillow sham here.
More frozen pillow.
Oh jeez.
Blankets.
4 frozen blankets here.
Here's one of this one.
Okay, these are all the same.
Here's one that we haven't seen yet.
And this is a different one that was actually in the prior box. And this is a micro texture duvet cover. And it does look like it's been taken out, so I'll have to make sure that everything is okay in the packaging.
Here's another one.
Another frozen quilt. And since Frozen 2 is very relevant right now, it should sell really well. And it looks like the original price is $40 on these, but these, not as the set, I will sell for probably just 20 bucks, 15 to 20 bucks. And then the actual one that's a set, I've been getting the queen size, I've been getting $50 for. I haven't got a twin one yet, so more than likely I'll list that one for $30 to $40. Okay.
Big makeup container.
Oh cool, this is a organizing drawer. I've been needing one, so I may just keep that guy.
How long is it?
Okay, what do you got?
Oh, these are beautiful. Look at these awesome bird pillows here.
What's so tight?
There's 2 more. Ooh, this is another one of those pretty ones. This was in a prior video, the one that was just before unboxing this one over here. Oh wow, that's a big comforter set. So this is another 8-piece comforter set. I'll see if you can see it closer there. It's new in the packaging, thankfully. What do you got? You got 2 here. Performance sheet set. Now again, these sheet sets sell really well. And the original price is $30. I'm able to get about 20 each out of them, and they usually pay for shipping. Another frozen quilt. What do you have over here?
Star Wars slumber set.
Oh, that is really cool. A little Star Wars slumber set. This will do good. It's in the original packaging. It's very relevant for little boys. Okay, there's another one, but this one came out, so you know you'll just have to sell it like that and just tell them that it's been you know, opened. All right, what do you got over here? This is a flannel sheet set. This is a performance sheet set queen, and it's actually a really pretty like floral print there. And another one of those.
Blanket.
A throw blanket, and it looks like you have another one of those floral sheet sets. So again, one listing, multiple quantities, easy peasy.
Blue pillow.
This is like a down pillow, it feels like. A collection pillow, midnight blue. It's very soft. It feels like there's down feathers in there.
A shower curtain with some animal fur.
Oh, this is a fun shower curtain. Ooh, a medium down alternative. But this looks like a king size pillow. Yep, king. So this we may be keeping this one. We have a new king size bed.
Another one.
What do you got here?
This huge orange pillow.
This is salmon orange pillow. It's got the velvet backside there.
Another one.
Oh, another one. So one listing, multiple quantities. Love it. Uh-oh. So this one does look like some goo or something on it, so I cannot sell this one. Or I'll put it in a garage sale and see if somebody wants it for like 50 cents. We'll see. Maybe they can get it out. This is another sheet set. This is a striped performance sheet set. And this one we already had one of. It's a flannel sheet set. This looks like a Opal House quilt.
This is pretty.
Ooh, that is pretty. What is it? Full queen. I think this is just a sheet set, honestly, or it's just a quilt, just the quilt alone. And you have another sheet set over here. Another one of those Opal House lightweight quilt sets. And a sham. And then the last thing is just another sheet set. Okay, so that was everything that was in this unboxing. We got through this one much faster, but I'm so appreciative of my helpers. Now they have boxes to play in, and now I've got stuff I need to get listing. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I appreciate you all. Have a blessed day.
Bye, guys.
Bye.